Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming weekend. This will be from the 4th of November to the 8th of November. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. And now this analysis is top down now from the monthly time frame. Then I will be going down to 4-hour time frame. And actually in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the key levels, the wave counts, the support and resistance, and also I read the candlestick and the candlestick patterns. So now quickly we can start with the monthly time frame. And in monthly time frame, actually now we see now this monthly candle has closed with the bullish momentum. So buyers have dominated the price move throughout the month, and we can see now several months back price has been holding with the bullish momentum. We have never seen a bearish candlestick for a 4 month now for 4 months consecutively. So now we can now expect a bearish candlestick in the November month. So this is not analysis, just expectations. But now based on lower time frames, and now as we go down now in lower time frames up to the 4-hour time frame, now we'll exactly understand what is expected in now in a monthly time frame and lower time frames. Now in addition, we can look this. So actually we can look the RSI. We can find that now it was overbought now in 2020, July of 2020. So currently we are reaching the overbought now in 2024. So it has been some time. It is now around 4 years since the previous overbought condition happened. And at the same time, now if you look closely, now you realize that now this is forming the higher, and also when you come here, it is forming the lower high. So if I do this, for those who knows the failure of spike or the divergence, actually you can understand exactly what I'm highlighting here. So now we have the overbought and the divergence now in a monthly time frame. So we expect now the lower time frames are going to respect this. So now quickly let me go to weekly time frame and highlight the possible things to consider now in a weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, actually now we can start with the wave counts. Now we see very clear wave counts. Now everything is seen, and actually for those who know wave counts, now you can also see we have completed the move. So this is the third wave, and below there's the fifth of the fifth. So actually now with these counts, now it shows that we have already completed the third wave. So if completed the third wave, we are looking for a possible fourth wave to the downside. So that is the highlight, and I have introduced those channels. Now we have these lower channels that can roughly predict where we are expecting the fourth wave to be completed. But now as price is unfolding information of the fourth wave, now we'll have a clear levels of the areas where price or the fourth wave is expected to be completed. So now these are very important in weekly time frame. And also in addition, we can see now this week has closed with a bearish candlestick. Now we can see a bearish candlestick here. So now this bearish candlestick can suggest a possibility of beginning of the bearish momentum, because it has been 3 weeks consecutively since we saw a previous bearish candle. So actually with this one, so we can have a possibility of the next week candle to maintain the bearish momentum, because we see rejections from the upside, and also wave count shows completion at the same place. So now with the confluence of these factors, we can expect possibility of selling now in the coming week. Then quickly let me go to daily time frame. So now in daily time frame, we can see several things here, but one important thing that I can highlight is this channel that ran all the way from the bottom left. So you can find that it was touched several times now to the upside, several times to the upside, and also several times to the downside. So now with this channel, we expect now price is going to touch this level, and once price is at this level, anything is going to happen, either straightforward breaking to the downside, or it can hit the level and bounce to the upside. So actually now with this formation, we expect a possible sell now in the coming week until we hit this channel. So that is the possibility in daily time frame. So we have done with all key levels or key things in daily time frame. Let me go to 4-hour and provide those key areas and possible levels of entries now for the coming week. So make sure that you do your own analysis, and also make sure that you watch analysis from other traders so that you can have confidence on the probable direction. So basically, you can see now the bearish momentum has been clearly formed at this region in 4-hour time frame. So now it has been several times, it has been some times since we saw such type of momentum to the downside. Now in most case, price was maintaining the upward momentum or the bullish momentum. So with this, we can expect that bearish momentum has begun. So that is the possibility. So actually now we see price has closed the while in an indecision. Now in 4-hour time frame, there was a sort of indecision. So what is going to happen here? Actually, I've analyzed this market up to lower time frames like the 1 hour and the 30 minutes. So now what we can expect here, immediate on opening of the market, we see the levels, the horizontal levels. I can highlight these. So we see several times now in the past, our price was playing within the level. So now we expect price may keep on playing, doing something now around this level. But basically, how are you going to trade? That is the very important thing to consider now in the coming week. So how are you going to trade? On opening of the market, we can see a sort of bullish momentum. This is possible. We can see a sort of bullish momentum, and finally, once this is completed, now watch for possible sell opportunities. Now you'll be selling when you see gold is trading around 2760. So now it is around this level. So when you see gold is forming sell confirmation around 2760, you'll be taking some sells with the first target at 2715. So now you'll be taking some profits now around 2715, now this region. So now at this region, we'll wait to see if price will bounce to the upside or will it straightforward break and continue to the downside. Now if price will break and continue to the downside, now you will be taking your second take profit, or levels of take profits now will be around 2670. Now 2670, it is now around this level. So it is now at this level 2670. So now those are the two targets for the coming week, and mostly we are going to watch for sells. Buys will be the short term, and I expect it to be in a corrective mode. Powerful. Have a great weekend.